In this video, I will show you how you can deposit money in Coinbase using wire transfer. Now, first thing you need to do is get the wire transfer details from Coinbase. So just open up your Coinbase app and then click on this My Assets option. After that, you have to click on this Add Cash option from the screen. Then on the screen, you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to add in your Coinbase using your wire transfer. And after that, you have to click on this From option, and then this window will open up where you can see this wire transfer option. So you just have to tap on it. Then on the screen you will be able to see all of your wire transfer details, such as the recipient name, recipient address, account number and routing number. So you just have to copy all of these details somewhere safe and then log in your online banking account or visit your banking branch. Then you need to use this wire transfer details provided by the Coinbase to send your desired amount. And the most important thing, you have to ensure that you include the reference number or virtual account number in your transfer as exactly as provided to ensure the proper crediting to your Coinbase account. Keep in mind that the wire transfer can take 1 to 3 business days to process. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.